Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy the Lamborghini Urus in Car Parking Multiplier. First, understand that the Urus is a high-end vehicle, requiring a substantial amount of in-game cash. Your primary goal will be to accumulate enough funds through various activities within the game. This isn't a quick process, but with consistent effort, you'll get there. To earn money, focus on completing the game's many parking challenges and races. These often provide the largest payouts. Don't forget to check your garage. Selling any cars you no longer use can free up a good amount of cash. Also, make sure to claim your daily bonuses and watch any available ads for quick, smaller injections of funds. With enough money saved, head to the in-game car dealership. You'll find the Urus listed among the other premium vehicles. Select it and then confirm your purchase. Congratulations! The Lamborghini Urus is now yours to drive and customize. It's a fantastic feeling to finally own such an iconic vehicle in the game. Now that you own the Urus, take some time to customize it. Experiment with different paint colors, rims, and performance upgrades to make it truly unique. Then, hit the streets and practice driving it in various game modes to get a feel for its handling and power. It's a powerful SUV, so mastering it will enhance your gameplay. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.